Adonis.
He's scared to touch it, I think.
Yeah, I think he's scared. Oh, that's that hole. Look at him. Adonis, throw something back. Don't let them do you like that.
Yeah.
Okay, don't keep throwing it in his face. Here, Adonis. Throw one. Oop.
Yeah, he already look cold.
No, because Angel just threw a big old snowball in his face. And every time they throw it at him, it get in the back of his hat. And it goes down his back. So he needs that other hat on so it doesn't go down his back. Oh, he got it. He doing it. Do it, big boy. He doing it. Do it. There you go. Throw it, Dun Dun. There you go. Look, he got it now. Adonis. He about to get somebody. Who he about to get?